Last March 27, 2024, pumunta kami ng Zambales kasama si Yumi. That day is her 14th birthday and this is her first time to swim in the ocean. And for the record, it's also one of my longest drive since I started driving last year. The baby dog! Hi! Ganda girl! And for her simple birthday celebration, meron lang kaming root beer, Coke, 2 lasagna from Greenwich, and also some pizza.
Hi! We have pizza and another pizza. 2 large pizzas with G.
Super napagod kami and lalo na si Yumi sa biyahe. So tignan nyo kung gaano siya ka-cute matulog. Plak ng plakda. Para siyang yung maliit na lechon na tinitinda ni Marvin Agustin. Super cute! Dito nga pala kami nagstay sa Promised Land Beach Resort for Yumi's birthday. And gising na siya.
Good morning, guys! Good morning! Good morning, love!
Dito kami sa hut number 1, regular beach hut lang siya. Pero aircon naman yung loob for 5,000 pesos. Good na siya for 4 packs. Pero 3 packs lang kami and wala namang extrang bayad yung sa mga aso. And super accommodating nila and we all love their service. And enjoy din naman ni Yumi yung kanyang 14th birthday that day. So, start na tayo and mag-swimming na. She's ready. Super cute talaga ni Yumi and binilhan pa namin siya ng swimsuit para complete ang kanyang beach experience.
Yay! Mom, it's so hot! Sabi niya, Mama, it's so hot! Wanna go closer to the beach, baby?
Happy 14th birthday, Mayumi. I hope you had fun that day. Sadly, this is not just your first time but happens to be the last time you swim in the ocean. It's also your last birthday celebration with us. Last July 14, you joined Kuya Kiefer in heaven. Tell him how we basically force you to swim even though you hate being wet. Tell him all the stories and memories we shared and please hug Kuya Kiefer for us. I hope both of you are living healthy with God now. Yumi, you'll always be an angel that God sent us to our family for guidance and love. Thank you so much for the 14 years that you've been with us. I love you and I miss you so much.
Oh no! Yumi! Oh no, it's wet. I don't like wet items. Ay! Ay! Oh no! Sabi niya, this is so basic. Ayoko dito, mama ko.
Hinayaan lang muna namin si Yumi maglakad-lakad sa beach or sa sand kanina para hindi siya matakot and makapag-explore siya on her own. Tapos, now pa lang namin siya officially ilulubog sa dagat. Ayaw niya kasi talaga nang nababasa kaya all throughout her swim ay bit-bit lang naman namin siya or hawak namin siya para rin hindi siya malunod. Tines lang din namin kung totoo ba yung instinct ng mga aso na makakapagpalutang or makakaswim sila kahit very slight lang. And I'm super proud of Yumi kasi nakapag-swim nga siya and kahit very saglit lang, lumutang naman siya. Tas hawak na lang uli namin siya.
Diba malamig? Sarap uwi. Inaalam siya. Ay, iabot yung bunga. Yan, nakikita tayo. Nakikita. dagat? Ako naman bubuhat ako sa baka.
Mga ba, huwag na po kayo masyadong lumalim dyan.
Ha? He is swimming.
Nakabaw lang po kayo.
Yung konti. Ha? Nakalubog sa'yo eh. Tsaka yung paa. Pwede. Nalubog yung pet niya. Eh? Ganyan ba kami? He is swimming. Ay, bababa. Medyo layuan mo siya na doon. Para pa-atas. Yeah. Can you swim on your own, baby? Nakaupo lang siya eh. Kaya nga. Can you swim on your own? I'll let you go for a few seconds. Yeah? Can you? Can you swim? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That's nakakapagod. That's nakakapagod. Another one. Baby. Another one, ha? I'll let you go, ha? Come. 1, 2, go. She's swimming. Ay, naalon siya. Naalon siya. Naalon siya. So tired, Mama. I'm so tired. Ayaw niya mag-let. Hindi na iwanan. Ala, iwanan. Yeah, wala nang alon. Hindi na iiwanan. Trauma na. Trauma na. Naka-play ba to, girl? Oo. Sige. Saan dito, baby? Hindi na po iiwanan. Ayaw na. Pahinga muna. Sobrang hingal na, girl. Hindi na, wag eh. Girl, ayan. Hindi na, baby. Oh, hindi na ha. Hindi na bibitawan. Yeah, girl. Ang galing. Yay! Aray. Yay! Aww. Iyok ko na yan. Okay na? Isa pa? Bitawan? Oo. Sure ka? Oo. Ayaw na ka ba? Last one. Maybe I'll let you go, ha? Sana naka-play to. 1, 2, 3. Ay! Alam niya na sa akin papunta eh. Ah, dito ka dapat. Ayan. Hindi, ayaw niya nang bumitaw. Ayaw niya na? Ibigyan niyo try. Ay girl, kawawa. Gusto ba? O, bitawan mo. Yes, sa akin naman. Ayaw niya na, girl. Ayan na, girl. 1, 2, go. Okay na. Tara na. I'm so proud of you na. Picture muna tayo. Nanginginig. Yumi! Say hi to mama. Wee! Yuhu! Wag nang pa-swimmingin!
Maligo ni Yumi sa dagat, nagpalit muna kami ng damit into swimsuit para makapag-picture-picture. Kasi kanina nag-long sleeve talaga kami para hindi gaanong maarawan and hindi ma-scratch ni Yumi. So ako, I'm wearing a green top and a blazer na white, tapos white sunglasses lang. And si Yumi naman nagpapahinga lang sa gilid kasama si Mama and si Ate Steph. I consider this as a core memory. I'm super happy nung araw na to because I was able to fulfill one promise I made to Kuya Kiefer, and that is to bring Yumi to the beach. Sayang lang wala dito si Papa, and sayang hindi rin nakapagbanton romblon si Yumi. Pero still, I'm very thankful for having this memory of being so happy with my dog and my family. Truly a day that healed me. I imagined and planned a lot more adventures with Yumi, pero hindi na pwede.
Buhati mo siya babalik. Baby, that's for ATV. That place is for ATV, ha? Go to the beach. Okay, you drop her na. Ay, girl, nakaalis na yung bra niya. Alisin mo na. Mahuhubad siya ah. May malfunction ng baby ah.
Sasama pa sana kita sa Baguio at sa ibang lugar, pero baka oras na rin talaga para magpahinga ka. Salamat sa 14 years na pag-comfort mo sa akin. Salamat sa 14 years mong pagsalubong sa amin sa bahay. Sana kung nasan ka man ngayon at ay nakakakain ka ng Jollibee Spaghetti at nakakapaglaro ng mga box and toys mo. I love you, Mayumi. Swim din kayo ni Kuya Kiefer dyan na. Mahal namin kayo. Salamat sa lahat. Run free, Mayumi.